Namaskar. I Amit Kumar welcome you all in IMD's weekly weather briefing. So in this briefing we will be seeing what weather systems affected Indian subcontinent during last 7 days and what will be the weather for next 2 weeks. So the main synoptic system which impacted Indian subcontinent, mainly peninsular India, was cyclonic storm Fenjal. The cyclonic storm Fenjal caused extremely heavy rainfall spells over North Tamil Nadu and Puducherry on 1st and 2nd December, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over Andhra Pradesh, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and heavy to very heavy rainfall over Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, coastal Karnataka, Kerala on 3rd of December. On your screen, you can see the exceptionally heavy rainfall which was recorded over Tamil Nadu on 1st and 2nd December. Then this system moved to coastal Karnataka, the westward to SIK, that is South Interior Karnataka, Kerala, coastal Karnataka, and then to East Central Bay. Second synoptic system which impacted Indian subcontinent during last week was western disturbances. So western disturbances during last week, the western disturbances over North India moved during 28th to 30th of November and caused isolated light to moderate rainfall over the hilly regions of Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand. Minimum temperature were below normal, that is 3 to 5 degree Celsius over most parts of Madhya Maharashtra during the initial days of the last week, and because of that even cold wave condition was realized over Madhya Maharashtra for 1 day, and for the remaining part of the week the minimum temperatures were above 3 to 5 degrees Celsius over entire India except Northeast India. Now in your screen you can see the animation of cyclonic storm Fenjal and the track which this cyclone took. So if briefly I talk about the history of this system, then the low pressure area over East Equatorial Ocean and adjoining South Bay of Bengal was formed on 23rd of November. Then it intensified into a depression over central parts of South Bay of Bengal and adjoining East Equatorial Indian Ocean on 25th of November. Then it further intensified into a deep depression over Southwest Bay of Bengal on 26th of November, into cyclonic storm Fenjal over Southwest Bay of Bengal on 29th of November. It crossed North Tamil Nadu, Puducherry coast, close to Puducherry, between 22:30 and 23:30 hours IST of 30th November with wind speed of 70 to 80, gusting to 90 kilometers. After crossing, that is after landfall, it weakened into a deep depression on 1st December over north coastal Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. The depression on 1st December and well-marked low pressure area over on 2nd of December over interior Tamil Nadu, CK, and then it further moved westward, traveling through CK and adjoining East Central Arabian Sea on 4th of December, and then it moved westward. So the salient feature of this cyclonic system were very slow movement during and after landfall. Then it changed path 5 times during its life cycle, and then it remained stationary for 12 hours after landfall over North Tamil Nadu districts. Now on your screen you can see the weekly rainfall statistics. So in this you can see that in this week, last week, the country as a whole has received 137% above normal rainfall, and this was mainly caused because of cyclonic storm Fenjal. So on your screen in this map you can see that starting from NMMT, that is northeast, then GWB, Odisha, and then entire peninsular India received large excess rainfall, and the rainfall which was received over South Peninsula was in the range of 294% above normal. So this was the main factor which led to the above normal rainfall over whole country. Now on your screen you can see the locations or the days of very heavy and above rainfall. So you can see that during this week heavy to very heavy to exceptionally heavy rainfall was recorded over Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Rayalaseema and CK. And this 7-day cumulative map, you can see that over North Tamil Nadu, you can see there are multiple dots which are showcasing that even extremely heavy rainfall occurred during the landfall process. Now, if we talk about the seasonal rainfall, then because of this cyclonic system, overall departure came down to 9% and 9 degree percentage. That is, during this season, now country as a whole has received 9% below normal rainfall up to 4th of December. Now, if we talk about the forecast for next 2 weeks, that is the extended range forecast, then during week 1, a fresh western disturbance is likely to affect western Himalayan region and adjoining plains of northwest India from 8th of December. So overall, if you can see the week 1 rainfall map and the week 1 rainfall anomaly. So the overall scenario will be that rainfall is likely to be normal to above normal over South Peninsular India and adjoining Central India, and below normal over rest part of the country during week 1. Now, if we talk about the forecast for precipitation for week 2, then no active western disturbance is likely to affect northwest India during week 2, and rainfall is likely to be normal to above normal over most parts of South Peninsular India and Central India, and below normal over Northwest India, East India, and Northeast India during week 2. Now, if we talk about minimum temperature, the scenario of minimum temperature, then during week 1, gradual fall in minimum temperatures by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius is likely over parts of Northwest India during the week. Then over East India, the fall is around 2 degrees Celsius during first half of week 1 and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. No significant change in minimum temperatures over central India during most days of week 1 is expected. Now, if we talk about week 2 minimum temperatures, then minimum temperatures are likely to be less than 10 degrees Celsius over most part of northwest, central, and adjoining East India during week 2. Minimum temperatures are likely to be below normal by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over most part of northwest, central, and adjoining East India, near normal over parts of western Himalayan region, northeast states, and south peninsular India during week 2. Now on your screen you can see the extended range outlook for cold wave. So you can see that during the passing of a western disturbance on 9th December, there is a low probability of cold wave conditions over North Rajasthan and adjoining Punjab and Haryana during the second half of week 1. Now for week 2, due to likely northwesterly winds over plains of northwest India, there is a low probability of isolated cold wave conditions over Punjab, Haryana, Southwest Uttar Pradesh, North Rajasthan, and Northwest Madhya Pradesh during some days of the week. And if we talk about cyclogenesis, then there is no probability of cyclogenesis over both the basins of Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea during next 2 weeks. Namaskar, Jai Hind.